a candle to possibly retrace a little bit. Now we have, let me move over here. Now we have a candle that finished bearish. Boom. A bearish candle has formed in an uptrend. We have no wick on the top. If you do know, when a candle has no wick on the top and we have a wick at the bottom, this means there's a high probability for price to move down. But this is an uptrend. Do we sell at this point? If you're a new trader, you'll see this, you're like, okay, perfect time to sell because we have moved up. So what was this anyway? This was at 192.880 all the way up till 193 for 60 pips. Moved up 60 pips. So this is around 60 pips. We moved up 60 pips. So now you're thinking, okay, we moved up 60 pips. I should take a sell over here because price should continue to push down. And a lot of you guys would have taken a sell over here and lost. But, but we're trading the trend. We have to look at what are different scenarios that happen when we're... So before I continue, make sure you subscribe, like the channel, and share this valuable information. This is going to help a lot of people. And when you like and subscribe and you share, that's what keeps me going. I like that. Let's get back to the video. Trading the trend. So we're only going to talk about very simple scenarios. So now when you take a look at this, right? Number one scenario, you have a candle that closes bullish, okay? Candle has closed bullish. And now you're thinking that, okay, candle has closed bullish. We have a resistance right over here. So maybe this range is not enough. Maybe this range is like 15 to 20 pip. Maybe this is a 15 to 20 pip range. So I cannot take a buy here. So if you're coming in with that mindset, which is correct, that's a very conservative mindset. That's very good. You're like, there's not enough range. I'm going to wait for this candle. I'm going to wait for this candle to close above this area, and then I'm going to take a buy. And what happens? The candle just continues to move. Now, back in 2016, 2017, when I was looking at the charts, I would wait for the candles to close as well. And as I would be waiting for the candles to close, price would just continue moving and I would just miss my trade. And then I was forced to look at impulse entries. Like a lot of you guys know impulse entries. So in this scenario right here, there are two types of traders. Number one trader who is waiting for the candle to close because they are very conservative. And then there's the second trader who has missed so many trades by waiting for the candles to close. And he's like, I'm not going to miss a single trade now because when there's volume, when there's volume in the market and price is trending, I'm going to look for some sort of an impulse entry. And this is where your impulse entry comes in when this candle breaks above the wick to the left-hand side. You're like, awesome, perfect. My impulse entry goes in. There's volume in the market. Price moves up. My stop loss is maybe right here. If this is a big stop loss, it's going to be within the range.